We're gonna show you how to make $100 a day just answering questions. Sorry, I didn't mean to spray you with money there. Hope you didn't mind. But this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be free. This can be done no matter what country you're from. And this can be done even if you are a 12-year-old with braces on who's still in grade school. Yep, even you. You can make $100 daily answering questions online. I'll be showing you right on my computer how you can get this, and you'll be being sent the money one of two ways. You need either a bank account in which you can have the money deposited into, or you need an address where you can actually have the checks sent over to your address. Those are the two ways to receive the money. You can make this happen. Yeah, you can do this on a smartphone too even. So I'll show you the method right now. Let's get it. This is called affiliate marketing, and the way affiliate marketing works is basically you have three different points, okay? You have an affiliate network, which has products which you can sell and it will give you money. Then you have the affiliate, okay, which is you, which will be posting a link that you get from the affiliate network, and you'll be putting that out there on the internet so that people can click on the link. So this is the customer. Now the customer clicks on the link, and if they like the product, they will pay the affiliate network, and then the affiliate network pays you your commission. Now that's how it all works. Let's see it in action. So second part of this method is, where do you post the link? Well, we're going to be posting the link on Q&A sites, okay? Because there's sites out there where people have questions, and if we can answer their question and also offer them a product which will help them, then we will not only help the person with an answer, but we will help ourselves with money. So what a better win-win situation. You help people and you make money. So let me show you the mechanics of how this works. Now, you want to sign up for this site called ClickBank.com. This is an affiliate network. It pays out about $500 million to affiliate marketers every single year. That's the equivalent of $1.5 million every single day. This is a fraction of the money that's being paid out. I make over $1 million a year with ClickBank, but there are many others who are making the same, if not more, and many making less than me. But you're learning from one of the best here, and I hope you can understand these tricks and you're committed to putting it into action. Now, I'm gonna ask you a question here. Now, my promise to you is that if I can show you how to make $100 a day, are you all in on putting this into work? And just type in, if I show you this, type in all in the comments. Say, I'm all in, because this is gonna be unbelievable. It's amazing, and it's very simple. You'll see. So let's make it happen. So ClickBank, you'll wanna create an account, okay? I'm not gonna walk you through creating an account, but basically you create an account with them and you're gonna get a username. The next step is you go over to their affiliate marketplace, and you are going to click on their affiliate marketplace, and you will go over here to the search button right there. Now you'll see a bunch of products that you can advertise, over 4,000 products you can advertise, and you can earn various amounts of money, $37, $40, etc. What we are interested in is we are going to slide this average sale. We want high ticket, we want lots of money, and we are going to slide this over so that we are making over $100 per sale. The second step is we want recurring income, and this is the bonus, right? You're gonna get recurring income doing this. So we're gonna slide average rebuild total over to 200 as well. Now, you will see that the #1 product to promote is the super affiliate system, and we're going to go in here and we're going to click promote to get our links. Now, all you need to make of this is 1 sale per week to earn the equivalent of $100 per day. And in addition to that, you'll also be receiving a recurring revenue of $262. Pretty neat. Now, just a quick side note for my like sub-Saharan African friends or my friends living in North Korea or Bangladesh, this affiliate network won't accept you. I don't know why. I think you guys are cool, but you know, they don't. So I'm sorry about that. But if you want to find an affiliate network that will accept you from Nigeria or Bangladesh or North Korea, you can go in the links in my description, and there is a site that's called Digistore. So sign up for Digistore. It's johncrestani.com/digi. Sign up there, and you will get access to an affiliate network that accepts people from anywhere around the world. So we click promote, and our affiliate ID or your username should appear in here, and you will click generate hop links right there. You want to keep it set as the default page. And once you click generate hop links, you will copy this, or you can click this button to copy your link. Now, what I like to do is I like to open up a notepad, and I just like to save my link in a notepad so that I have a quick, handy access to it. But what you'll notice real quick is that this link looks really ugly. It doesn't, you know, if I saw this link out in the wild, I wouldn't want to click on it. So what I would actually do, I recommend you do, is you go to a site called bit.ly.com, and you can go right here, bit.ly.com. It says create click-worthy links, and we're going to post our link in here. We're going to click this button which says shorten, and it gives us a prettier link that still goes to the same affiliate page, okay, which is the page for my product, which is a free training, okay? So people watch this free training, and it gives you a chance to earn $500 if they eventually become a customer. So next, just for quick reference, I put my short link, or I could call it my short link here too. I just put that right in my notepad for quick, handy reference once again. Now, the next step is we're going over to the site called Quora, which is the #1 question and answer site, and we're going to find targeted questions that would relate to the product that we're selling. Now, affiliate marketing, or just all marketing, it's really kind of like turning a key. You know, it's like turning a key in a lock. You need to get every single switch right for it to unlock the result, which is, in a door, it's a door opening, or in our case, it's money. So making money. So you have to get all these 3 things right. First thing is the targeting. You have to be putting your message in front of the right people who are going to respond to the product you're selling. The second thing is you have to have the right message, okay? So you have to have a proven message that people are going to want to click on and interact with. And the third thing is you're going to want to put a product in front of them that they are going to want to buy. You get any of these 3 things wrong, you get the message wrong, or you put the right message but you put it in front of the wrong people, or you try to sell them the wrong product. You get any of these things wrong and nobody will buy. But you get them all right, and it's like turning a key and unlocking a door, and the result, once again, it's money, and it's really exciting, and it's changed my life. I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel at this point and hit the notification bell, because I talk a lot about this, and I make millions of dollars in my internet business. Affiliate marketing has completely changed my life. It could change yours as well, and I really encourage you, make sure you put this into action. If you're going to do it, type in Money Club right down there in the chat. Type in Money Club, because this is going to be really exciting. I hope you get part of this Money Club as well. Okay, so we're going to go to Quora, and Quora is the site. It's spelled Quora right there. So Quora.com, and you can just go to it. It's easy, and this is a great site. This has very high quality people, a lot of good stuff. But what you'll want to do, sorry, I just burped, is when you're on the homepage, you'll want to search for a couple different topics. Now, I put the topics you'll want to search for and provide answers to right here: make money, college, affiliate marketing, jobs, Tai Lopez. You can even do other influencers such as, Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, etc. Just to give you ideas. But these are questions you can answer. So let's look for make money right there, okay? So we say right here, we get a question which 7.6 thousand people have followed. So it's, what is the easiest way to make money online? So we're going to go in here, we're just going to make a response to this. Now, because every question is different, you won't necessarily be able to copy paste everything, but we're just going to be really simple here, okay? So I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Okay, so here's the question right now. We see thousands of people are following this, but what we are interested in clicking on is this area, answer, right here. This is how we answer the question. It's kind of hidden. but we'll click answer. And by the way, this is a picture of what I used to look like without a beard. I will see hands down, it's affiliate marketing. You know, and I'm just gonna write a short answer. We'll zoom ahead. Okay, so what I did was I just wrote a quick answer, and I actually went a little crazy on this answer. I spent a little time doing it. You know, what's the easiest way to make money online? Hands down, it's affiliate marketing. Doesn't require any product purchasing, support costs, neither has country or age restrictions. Other popular opinions I've heard is marketing agency, e-commerce, stock trading, real estate, which either cost money or other costs. And I said there's great free training on how to get started as an affiliate here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy my link, put in a good answer, and I'm gonna paste my link right there, and then I will click submit. And let's see how this goes. And boom, we just posted our answer to a question. Now you can go out and answer questions on all sorts of topics. You know, people are asking, is college or university worth it? And the answer is unequivocally no. And there's a very good other option of how they can start learning how to make money online. Link. Okay. Then there's another question, which is, why do so many people hate their jobs? You could talk about why so many people hate their jobs. You could do research online and copy paste somebody else's answer, and then give them a resource of how they can work for themselves and put your affiliate link there. Same thing with all of these things. You could say, how did Tai Lopez become so rich? And he became rich through affiliate marketing. And you could put a link of how to train people with affiliate marketing. Tony Robbins, you know, is Tony Robbins a scam or a con artist? And you could answer that question, and then you could say, Tony Robbins teaches a lot about working for yourself, and here's the best program I found, or here's a program I found of how you can work for yourself, and put a link there. There is 1,000,001 ways you can post your link. It is so easy. It's so easy, and it's free. And the options are limitless, and you can go on these sites and just post away, and over time you'll get more clicks on your link. Let me show you how to check your link clicks real quick, and then we're going to go end the video, and I'm going to make you a very special offer, which I think you'll enjoy. Now, when you're in ClickBank, you'll want to go over to this reporting tab and analytics area, and if you want to check if your links are getting clicks, what you can do is you can scroll down here and look at your clicks. And you can see right here, using this method, I've gotten 266 clicks. I've gotten 139 order form impressions. And moving over here, we see I made $2,000 and $500 recurring revenue. So that's how you check. Roughly speaking, 1 in 10 clicks will become an order form impression, and 1 in 10 order form impressions should become a sale. So you want to aim to send at least 100 clicks before you would expect a sale, but send more, and the more the better, because you want to make that money. Woo! I hope you got excited about that easy way to make money. And I showed you 4 or 5 different ways you could post these links up. I mean, it's amazing. If this was easy money, go type in Money Club in the chat right now or in the comments, because that is awesome. And I hope you guys put this to action. Go out there, make money with this free traffic. How many YouTubers have you seen talking about ways to make money but don't actually show you the specific ways to actually do it? How many? Come on, tell me. Because it's basically all of them. And all we're doing all day on this channel is showing you ways that you can put this into action and make money. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and my special offer, which I'd like to invite you to join, which is something I just released and you can be a part of it. I'm really excited about this thing. It's called The Money Club, okay? The Money Club. And The Money Club is actually a group of people that I'm gonna be taking and I'm gonna be mentoring every 2 weeks. I'm gonna hop on a live stream with you and talk to you and answer your questions and help you through this affiliate marketing journey to help you make more money. And look at your stuff, look at your campaigns, whatever you want. I'm gonna help you get ahead, because they say your network is your net worth. And how valuable would it be to surround yourself with a multi-millionaire? Okay, so how many multi-millionaires do you have that you personally interact with every single other week or every single month? So that's pretty exciting. Also, you'll get 40 hours of content. But before I leave you guys, make sure you put this in action. I'm all in. Put it in the Money Club, because we're gonna have fun doing this. And as always, guys, there's so many opportunities to make money on the internet. I'm showing one every single day. There is no reason you should be going to college. Drop out of school. Quit your job because your job is no good for you if you don't like it. If you dread going to work every day, if you don't like your boss, if you don't enjoy your commute, you can be working for yourself. You can do this. There is all the information is out there. You just have to take action and start treading your own path, because you can do this. You can take back control into your own mind. You can take back control of your own work, and you can also take back control of technology, because right now, for the majority of the world, technology is controlling you. Your notifications on your phone. How many of you have ever just sat there and just picked up your phone and you didn't know why, but you just picked it up for no reason, and then you started looking, scrolling through news feeds or Instagram feeds, because technology is controlling you. But what I'm showing you is a way, so instead of technology controlling you, you can control it, and you can control it, and you can make money doing this. Let's face it, life was meant to be lived with your family, with your friends, with your hobbies, in nature. Life was not meant to be scrolling through news feeds. So grow your mind, spend time learning, make sure you subscribe to the channel or the Money Club, put this into action and take back control. Turn off those notifications on your phone and put your time into getting ahead. I look forward to seeing you as a regular subscriber on my channel. I value every one of you, and let's get this going together. Guys, let me know in the comments if you loved it, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Talk soon.